narrowly dodged a leopard attack while climbing into a truck, saved by a brigade of dogs who stepped in just in time. A determined big-horned sheep took on a vehicle, repeatedly charging to shatter its headlights, displaying a stubborn spirit. Oblivious to his surroundings, a man stumbled upon a moose and quickly backtracked with his dogs, sidestepping a wildlife encounter.
Come on! Come on!
A playful goat enjoyed toppling people, including a lady who unexpectedly found herself in a close encounter with the ground.